standing here with two guys. One is Unmukh Chand's brother, Vivek, and another is his best friend over there, Utsav. Now we're not going to talk about cricket, but we're going to talk about what all they've done as kids growing up in this entire colony. Pehli baat, how many windows have you guys broken over here while playing cricket?
I think he used to play in the basement, and every time he played, one or more window used to broke. That's why no other clue about that.
Tell me more about Unmukh, the person, not Unmukh the cricketer, but Unmukh the person. You're his best friend, so you'll know him really well.
He's the most calm and peaceful person I've ever seen in my life, because he does everything planned. He has a plan for everything. If he has to practice at 3, he will go to practice at 3. If he has to meet us at 5, he'll come to the place at 5, and he won't change his plans.
So is there a plan for girlfriends?
I don't think so. He doesn't have any time.
But let me tell you, because right now I just saw like 7-8 girls saying, "We love you, Unmukh, we love you, Unmukh." That's going to echo all over India now. Are you guys ready for that?
I've seen his Facebook messages, and there are a lot of "I love you" Unmukhs there, but he doesn't have time for all this. His only focus is his career right now.
As his brother, how are you going to celebrate with him?
I think when he will come back, we will party hard. We will at his home also, and we will go to watch movies and all if he gets time. But I don't think he will get time now because he has to go for India A series also.
But भाइयों की तरह क्या-क्या शैतानियाँ करी हैं आप लोगों ने बड़े होते?
हम क्या करते थे कि भागते थे ऊपर और सबकी बेल बजाते हुए जाते थे, और लोग आके पूछते थे किसने बेल बजाई, और हम लोग हंसते रहते थे छत पे जाके. और हम लोग यहाँ पे पूरी सोसाइटी में हम साइकिलिंग बहुत करी हम लोगों ने एक साथ, और मैं उसके साथ रनिंग में भी जाता था सुबह.
तो ये क्रिकेट का शौक बचपन से रहा है?
उसे क्रिकेट का शौक बचपन से था. उसमें बहुत डेडिकेटेड था क्रिकेट की तरफ, एंड उसका था कि मेरे को अपने आप को प्रूव करना है और इंडिया के लिए खेलना है.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.